this is an RTX 3080 Ti right here, and this is also another one. This one's for a friend, so that's why I have two right now. But today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new RTX 3080 Ti. I still can't believe that I got this. It's unbelievable. It's better than a 3080, and the 3080 was what I was going to go for. Anyway, I talk too much, so let's just stop talking now and get into the unboxing. I seriously can't believe that I was somehow able to get this. And I have to thank my dad for helping me get the second one so I could give it to a friend. Right now I'm cutting the tape and I'll be ready to unbox this. As you can see right here, it says NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. Here I go. Wait, that's actually real? I almost can't believe my eyes right now. It's a little heavier than I thought, but this is an RTX 3080 Ti. I know this channel is supposed to be a bit professional, but it's hard to be a bit professional when I have something that 99% of the population can't get, and I was only able to get it because of the Best Buy launch. But I really like the looks of this. This looks so professional in my sleeper PC build. Oh wait, teaser, you haven't even seen it yet because that video hasn't come out. It's been preempted by this. Well, anyway, I guess this is it for the unboxing. First impressions, I think it looks great, and I can't wait to put this in my computer and hope everything works. So I guess that's it. I'm sorry that this video is so unprofessional and sloppily edited and everything. I just been done with like a 30-hour day trying to get this or something like that. I don't even remember. I was just napping for the last 5 hours or so. Anyway, here's my 3080 Ti. Can't wait to install it in my computer build, but due to everything that went on, my PC build video will come out before the video where I install it, because I haven't even seen my computer yet. But it's out of the way. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Please subscribe. Please watch some of my other videos. And right now I need to go give my friend his 3080 Ti before I fall asleep completely. Okay, you can tell I'm really out of it and not acting professional right now. Okay, I'm very excited though. Until next time, bye. That was so abrupt. Bye.